Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming who controls the footage and the exact license terms. This prevents takedowns. Once you locate the owner or license, request written permissions specifying use, duration, territory, and monetization. If using public domain or Creative Commons, verify the exact CC version and attribution requirements. Keep receipts and email threads organized for upload evidence. You should also timestamp portions you plan to use and note why they qualify under fair use if that's your basis. This saves time later. Once you have permission or a fair use rationale, create a transformed version. Add narration, analysis, B-roll, and clear commentary so the clip serves a new purpose. Make conservative cuts and document start/end timestamps for each excerpt. Shorter usage strengthens your position. Before upload, embed attribution in the video and fill YouTube metadata precisely. Credit owner, link to license, and explain the transformative purpose in the description. These steps reduce the chance of automated claims and give context to reviewers. You upload with the right settings. Select whether you or the owner monetizes per permission terms and include license details in the description. If YouTube's Content ID flags the video, challenge claims promptly by submitting the permission or a fair use explanation. Attach your documentation. If a manual takedown occurs, file a counter notice only when confident. Once done, be ready for possible appeals. Troubleshooting tip: if automated systems persist, contact the rights holder to retract the claim or negotiate a licensing agreement directly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.